Welcome back to another section of Python tutorial by FocusUs. In this section, we're gonna learn how to create and use a function in Python. Python allows you to divide a large program into the basic block known as function. Function performs the task when called, which avoids the need to rewriting the code again. So suppose you are creating a program and you need to compare values and calculate the average of the values many times. So Python allows you to give a name to a function and call the function whenever necessary. So I'm gonna create a function which allows the user to input 5 values and calculate the maximum value. So now I'm gonna go to the console. We have a built-in function in Python called max, which prints the maximum value of the list of the numbers. So now I'm gonna type max and I'm gonna type 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And when I press enter, I get 5 because 5 is the maximum value in this case. And now I'm gonna write the program, and to create a function I type define max value x and colon. Here max value is the name of the function and x is called parameter. So to return the maximum value of the inputted data, we type return and max x. So now I'm gonna create an empty list B. To ask the user to input 5 numbers, I'm gonna use for loop. So I'm gonna type for I in range and 5 colon. So I'm gonna type t is equal to int input enter a number. And to add a value in the list, we have a function called append. So we type b.append te. So now to print the final output, we type print max value, and this time the parameter should be b. So now when I run the program, I'm asked to input a number. So at first I type 5, then 55, then 555, then 5555, then 55555. So the maximum number is 55555. So to make you more clear about function, I'm gonna type another program using function. This time I am gonna create a program to check whether the inputted number is odd or even using function. So now I'm gonna clear this up. So we create a function by typing define odd even and the parameter is x. As I have stated earlier in my previous video, a program is even if the remainder is 0 when it is divided by 2. So we are gonna use this concept in this program. So I type if x %2 is equal to 0 colon return even and else return odd. So now I'm gonna declare a variable a and I type int input enter a number. And at last, to run the function, we type print odd even a. So now I'm gonna run this program, and now I'm gonna type 22 and the output is even. And once again I'm gonna run the program. This time I'm gonna type 21 and the output is odd. This is how you use a function in Python. So alright guys, I'll see you in the next tutorial.